May June 2023, paper 5, 5.2 is the variant. Let me start this paper. First question of this paper is from discrete random variable. The random variable x takes the values -2, 2 and 3. It is given that probability of x is equal to x is equal to k into x square minus 1, where k is a constant. Part A, draw up the probability distribution table for x, giving the probabilities as numerical fractions. This question is from discrete random variable. The values of x are given. Probability relation is also given. We have to draw the probability distribution table, or simply this table is also called PDF, probability density function. So let me start. The values of x are given. X is equal to, x can take these values -2, 2, 3. Now related probabilities we will find first. This is the relation. Probability of x is equal to k into x square minus 1. Now we will put these values of x here to find the probability of against each value of x. First we will put -2 in place of x. We get probability of x is equal to -2 k into 3. Putting the value of k is equal to -2, we get 3k. Now we will put this value x is equal to 2. We get probability of x is equal to 2 is again, we are putting here the value of x at 2 square 4 minus 1, again 3k. Now putting the value of x is equal to 3 in the probability, we get probability of x is equal to 3, that is 8k. Now we construct a PDF probability density function, या probability distribution table. Here we write x, probability of x. The values of x are -2, 2 and 3. Values of x -2, 2 and 3. Now we write here the probabilities. We just found 3k, 3k and 8k. 3k, 3k and probability of 3 is 8k. Now we will find the value of k from here. And the sum of probabilities is equal to 1, we know. So we are adding 3k plus 3k plus 8k is equal to 1. This shows that 14k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1 over 14. Now again we will construct this table. So we may put the value of k here. We get again constructing the table. X probability of x. X and probability of x. The values of x are -2, 2 and 3. Now putting the value of putting the value of k here, the probabilities against each value of x will become 3 over 14, 3 over 14 and 8 over 14. We have put this value of k here to find the probabilities of against each value of x. Now the table is this. We have completed this part A. We have drawn uh, the probability distribution table. Now next part B of this question is find Ex. Ex means expected value of x. Expected value of x, or simply we can say that mean value of x. So there is formula to find the mean value of x. This is formula Ex is equal to summation x into px. This is formula in this chapter to find the expected value of x. We multiply the value of x and the related probability and will find a sum. Because this notation shows the sum of product of x and px. So putting the values here, we get -2 into 3 over 14 plus 2 into 3 over 14 plus 3 into 8 over 14. We write here, we get expected value of x -2 into 3 over 14 plus 2 into 3 over 14 plus 3 into 8 over 14. Simplifying, we get this. Uh, After simplifying, we get expected value of x, that is 24 over 14. We have to give the answer as numerical fraction. So this is the probability. This is the answer in fraction. Sorry, we have to giving the probabilities as a numerical fractions. We have already found probabilities are in fractions, numerical fractions, and finally expected value Ex. The value of Ex is 24 over 14. We can also write the answer in three significant figures. So Answer is 1.71 correct to three significant figure. Now next we have to find also the variance of x. Variance of x means spreadness of the variable. This is the variance is the square of standard deviation. So variance is also the spreadness of the values of x. The formula for variance is this: variance of x is equal to, this is general formula to find the variance of x, e x square minus ex whole square. Ex we have found already. The value of ex is 24 over 14. Now we have to find ex square. So to find ex square will be ex square summation of x square into px. The product of x square and px and sum of product of x square and px. So we make a little construction in the same probability distribution table. We are making here the table for the values of x square because we need x square in this formula of variance. So we are taking square of each value of x minus 2 square, that is 4, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Now we will multiply x square and px and find the sum. Putting here, we get 4 into 3 over 14 plus 4 into 3 over 14 plus 9 into 8 over 14. We are putting here the values. We get 4 into 3 over 14 plus 4 into 3 over 14 plus 9 into 8 over 14. After simplifying, we get, now we will simplify these three terms. Finally, we get 48 over 7. 48 over 7. Now we have found the value of exk, that is 48 over 7, and ex we have already found 24 over 14. Now putting the value of ex and ex square in this formula of variance, this become variance of x is equal to, no, variance of x will be ex square. The value of ex square is 48 over 7 minus ex whole square. Ex is 24 over 14. We will take square. So 24 over 14, 24 over 14 square. After simplifying, we get 48 over 7 minus 576 over 196. Simplifying, we get finally the answer is 3.92 correct to three significant figures.